Hey, it's me, Garrett, from Port Monkeys. And today we are on the Ovation of the Seas. And I'm in the solarium on deck 14, forward. And there is the solarium bistro right through those doors. It's a little dining venue. Sea Trek, so they sell goggles, looks like fins and stuff. But this is one of the pool areas. This one, however, these are the elevators, forward elevators and stairs. This pool area, solarium, is covered. And I don't think they ever removed that cover. I'm not sure. There is a pool bar, a couple of giant hot tubs. Also has the smell of chlorine and it's very steamy. Now, Ovation of the Seas was built in 2016. It's 168,000 tons plus. And our cruise, at least, has almost 4,700 passengers. So I don't know what the max capacity is. That's how much ours has. And yeah, Daniel bought me this shirt. So this is the outdoor pool. Just weave around here. And it's 5'4" 1.6 meters. And it's got the sky bar. And loud music. And I guess movies under the stars. Of course, only those people can watch, and those kids are all turned the other way. And then you have this kid play area. Well, it's not slippery, but it's all wet. Kid play area with a couple of water slides, very small water slides, showers with snakes, a little kids infinity pool for the starfish. So we're heading aft to the back of the ship. This is Fish and Ships. And they sell fried fish, fried shrimp, fried chicken, chicken fingers and chips, fish sandwich. Lobster is $12, but this stuff is included, complimentary. So, but it's breaded and fried. We're heading towards the Windjammer Marketplace. See Fish and Ships? Meyerwerth, Germany. So this was built. And the problem is the buffet is not open yet. So living room. It's a teen area. I understand they're replacing that, so I don't know. Let's see if we can get in the buffet. Let's go upstairs to deck 15. And here's deck 15. You can see going aft, we're here. Let's head forward from the outside. And here's the start line. So we're just going to walk around with everybody else. netting in there. Food truck. So C-Plex rules. So that looks like a roller rink, maybe called C-Plex. And this is C-Plex Doghouse. But it's roped off and I'm not going to go around it. Although, it would appear you have to go inside to get the hot dogs. Carpe diem shuffleboard. It is super hot and steamy out here. Let's go up to deck 16. This is the flow rider, you know, where you can ride the waves. Water comes down there, boogie board, whatever. I'm gonna guess that's the wind tunnel. You know where you go skydiving. Everything is wet and it's super hot and steamy. Oh, that doesn't open. So there's a big fan there and you jump in here and skydive. So that's the very back of the ship. I guess we'll go back down. I don't know if they call that deck 17. A couple giant panda bears. Slow riding. Also closed. It's only about 7 o'clock in the morning. Ripcord by iFly, that's what it's called. Ripcord. Rock climbing wall, right there. I made a short of me climbing that a few years ago, not on this ship. I think it was on Adventure of the Seas, but I'm not sure. Roller rink is in there, remember, and it's still roped off. It is a big ship though, so this is going to be a long, strange trip. I'm going to speed up here a little, check my rear view. Crane, I guess. That's a guy jumping rope. That's the North Star, I think it's called. That bubble. See, I should have worn my sunglasses. there's the pool area down below. Kids, adults, elevators are in there. Half a mile from somewhere. North Star Bar. I'm not sure who gets to sit here. I guess first come, first serve. I'm surprised they're not staked out already with towels and books. That's the bubble, and the arm, it goes way up in the sky, right? Way up high. I'm gonna cut across here to the other side of the ship. North Star elevator is out of order. The solarium is in there. Covered pool. Oh, now I'm going the wrong way. Why did I do that? Let's see if we can get in here. And we can. Lifeguard on duty. This is the forward stairs and elevators. Life vests, bathrooms. To the front of the ship. So up on this deck, you can walk all the way around. Down on deck 5, you can go outside. You can walk up and down each side. You can get to the front, you can't get to the back. And some area down there is a smoking area. We're going to get all the way to the front. Gym up there. I think this is the spa in through these windows. This is the door we just went through. Vitality Fitness Center. We're just going to run right through here real quick. And it's a busy place. Busy place. Fairly big. guess you have to enter and exit through the same door, which is over on this side. So we'll go over there, back over there. And now we'll go back down these stairs. So that was deck 16. Now we're on deck 15. And it's the Vitality Spa and Salon, but it's not open yet. Not that you want to see that anyway. Forward elevators and stairs. And that's it for the Ovation of the Seas upper decks. I'm Gary from Port Monkeys, and I'll see you in the next port.